Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit crypto on Changelly. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Changelly application. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here on the home page, you are going to see this trade section in the middle. So when you tap on it, you need to tap on the option of buy. Over here, simply enter the amount of USD which you want to basically spend in order to purchase your cryptocurrency. From this drop down menu, you can also select the cryptocurrency which you want to purchase. For example, let's say if you want to purchase USDT, you just have to select it, then enter the amount and it is going to show you the equivalent amount of USD that you are going to get. Now you can select the payment method. You can add any promo code if you have it, then tap on the option of next in the bottom. On the next page, you just have to simply provide the destination address. So here, if you don't have a wallet, you can create one in order to get started with this step. Then it is going to show you your transaction details and the payment method that you chose for this particular transaction. Now you just have to confirm it and conclude your payment. This way you will be able to deposit your crypto on Changelly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.